On January 25th and 26th of 1978, one of the greatest blizzards in the history of the world occurred in the Great Lakes state of Michigan. It was so bad that people in Ann Arbor could not go see Oh God, starring George Burns at the State Theater. This guy was clearly plowed in, which is not cool at all. With over 24 inches of snow falling in 2 days, this is a nightmare. And it was one that many Michiganders had to deal with in January 25th and 26th of 1978. It also featured one of the lowest barometric pressure readings of all time at 28.03, which was found in Mount Clemens, Michigan. This group of bozos, though, had the time of their lives as Michigan State closed campuses along with other universities around the Great Lakes state. The word is that a lot of the beer stores sold out of their booze rather quickly. Unfortunately, 20 Michiganders lost their lives in this horrific blizzard.